Hi students, good morning to one and all. Now welcome back our favorite video channel SGVS. This is B Ramesh Kumar. Today we discuss about second model in the chapter circles. So here in the second model, show that the points are concyclic. Here given 4 points. The 4 points are concyclic. Before going to show that 4 points are concyclic, first of all to find equation of circle passing through 3 points. This is the process. Already discussed in previous videos. How to find equation of circle passing through 3 points. We discussed in 4 methods. So here we choose one method. First of all to find equation of circle passing through 3 points. And we check 4th point satisfies our circle. Then the 4 points are called concyclic. So this is the definition of concyclic. Concyclic means any circle passing through 4 points, then the points are called concyclic. This is the definition. So here we discuss about the problem. First we take, let the required equation is passing through given 3 points. Let it be A11, B minus 6, 0, C minus 2, 2. So clearly here we take one circle. In this is A, this is B, this is C, and also let us assume that the center of the circle is some, we take S of HK. Clearly we observe, calculate distance between SA, SB, SC. Clearly SC is equidistant from the given points. Because of this is the center, the points lie on the circle. So let S of HK be the center. Clearly we take SA equal to SB equal to SC using circumcentral method. Then we know that SA equal to SB equal to SC, which implies in this squaring on both sides, SA square equals to SB square equal to SC square. Here using distance formula. First we write distance formula. That is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is the distance formula. From this condition, first we take SA square equal to SB square. SA square equal to SB square. Now which implies SA square means here already squaring on both sides. So square root will be cancelled. So SA square means h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 1 whole square equals to SB square means h plus 6 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square. Now in this, using a minus 2 whole square formula, h square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square plus 1 minus 2k. In this, h square plus 36 plus 12h. In this, k minus 0 means k square. So h square, k square are cancelled on both sides. Here we observe in RS side 12h is there, in left side minus 2h, taken to RHS side, that is 14h. Here minus 2k in LHS we take to the right side, that is plus 2k. Constants are 2, so 36 minus 2, that is 34 equal 0. Here divide with 2, this is 7h plus k plus 17 equal to 0, which is equation 1. Similarly we take SB square equals to SC square. In this, SB square is already found in first condition, that is h plus 6 whole square plus k minus 0 whole square. In SC square means h plus 2 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square. Now it can be simplified that this is h square plus 36 plus 12h plus k square. In RHS side, h square plus 4 plus 4h, k square plus 4 minus 4k. Now here h square k square will be cancelled on both sides. The remaining values in RHS left side 12h, right side 4h. Now we take left side 12 minus 4, that is 8h. Similarly, we take minus 4k to left side, that is plus 4k. This is 36. In this is 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 36 minus 8. That is 36 minus 8 means 28 equal to 0. Now here divide with 4. This is 2h plus k plus 7 equal to 0, which is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Here coefficients of k's in first equation 1, second equation also 1. Clearly we observe in this k's are equal. Now we take 1 minus 2. So 7h plus k plus 17 equals 0. Second equation is 2h plus k plus 7 equals 0. Here subtract this equation to the above equation, minus minus minus. So signs will be changed. 7 minus 2, 5h, k's are cancelled. 17 minus 7, that is plus 10 equals 0. Here h equals to minus 10 by 5. Therefore h equals to minus 2. Now we substitute h in equation 1 or equation 2. From 1, k equals to minus 7h minus 17. In this minus 17 to minus 2 minus 17. This is plus 14 minus 17, that equals to minus 3. Therefore k equals to minus 3. Therefore center of the circle S of hk equals to minus 2 minus 3. This is the center. Similarly radius. To find radius. Radius equals to, here we take SA, SB, SC. Out of 3 we take 1. Here we take SA. So S is minus 2 minus 3 and A is 1 1. To find distance between these 2 points, that is 1 plus 2 whole square plus 1 plus 3 whole square using distance formula. Now it can be simplified that this is 9, this is 4 square means 16. So square root 25, that equals to 5. Now we know that equation of circle in standard form, that is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. In this x minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equals to 5 square. Now it can be simplified that x square plus 4 plus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y equals to 25. Therefore required equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y. In this constants are 13 in left side, in right side 25. So 25 minus 13, that is 12. So minus 12 equal to 0. So this is the required equation of the circle passing through 3 points. Now we check fourth point is satisfied or not by verification method. The fourth point is minus 2 minus 8 in, this is equation 3. In the equation 3 we get, therefore x square means minus 2 whole square plus minus 8 whole square plus 4 into minus 2 plus 6 into minus 8 minus 12 equals to, this is 4 plus 64 minus 8 minus 48. So totally this is 68. In this is 56. 56 minus 12 minus 56 minus 12, that is also 68. So 68 minus 68 equals 0. Therefore the fourth point will be satisfied the equation. Hence the 4 points are consecutive. And finally we write required equation, that is x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the solution for this question. The next problem is, let the required equation or required circle passing through given 3 points let it be A12, B3 minus 4, C5 minus 6. And also here we take one circle. This is A, this is B, this is C. Let us assume that S is the center. Here clearly SA, SB, SC are equal. Because of S is the center, so S is equidistant from all points. These points are lying on the circle. And let S of HK be the center. Then clearly SA equals to SB equal to SC, which implies squaring on both sides. SA square equal to SB square equal to SC square. From this condition, using distance formula. So first we write distance formula, that is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now using that formula, here already squaring on both sides, so square root will be cancelled. First we take first condition. We take SA square equal to SB square. In this SA square means h minus 1 whole square plus k minus 2 whole square equals to h minus 3 whole square plus k plus 4 whole square. Now here square root will be cancelled because of squaring on both sides. Now it can be simplified that h square plus 1 minus 2h plus k square plus 4 minus 2k minus 4k. In right side, h square plus 9 minus 6h plus k square plus 16 plus 8k. Here h square, k square, k square will be cancelled. The remaining terms, this is minus 6h, this is minus 2h. So we take minus 6h to left side. So 6h minus 2h, that is 4h. So this is 8k, this is minus 4k. We take 8k to left side, minus 12k. Constants, in LHS side 5, in RHS 9 plus 16 25. So we take left side minus 25 plus 5. So minus 20 equals 0. Now divide with 4. This is h minus 3k minus 5 equals 0, which is equation 1. Similarly, we take second condition, SB square equal to SC square. In this, SB square means already found in first condition, that is h minus 3 whole square plus k plus 4 whole square, that equals to, in right side, h minus 5 whole square plus k plus 6 whole square. Now it can be simplified that in this h square plus 9 minus 6h plus k square plus 16 plus 8k equals to in right side h square plus 25 minus 10h plus k square plus 36 plus 12k. Here h square k square will be cancelled on both sides. In thus that here in RHS minus 10h is there, we take left side plus 10h minus 6h, that is 4h. In RHS 12k is there, we take left side 12k minus 12k plus 8 minus 4k. Constants in left side 25, in right side also 25. So 25, 16, 9 will be cancelled. So the remaining constant is 36. We take left side, that is minus 36 equal 0. Here also divide with 4. So h minus k minus 9 equal 0. So this is equation 2. Now solving equation 1 and 2. Here we observe h's are equal. So we take subtract equation 2 from equation 1. From equations 1 and 2. Here we observe h minus 3k minus 5 equal 0, h minus k minus 9 equal 0. In this h's are cancelled. Here subtract. So minus 3k plus k, that is minus 2k. In this 9 minus 5, that is plus 4 equal 0. From this minus 2k plus 4 equal 0 means 2k equals to 4. Here k equals to 2. So 2 1 2 2. This is k. Similarly, from equation 1 or 2, here we take equation 2. So here we take equation 2. From equation 2, here we write h equals to k plus 9. We substitute k value, that is 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Therefore, the center S of hk equals to, here h is 11, k is 2. So 11 2 is the center. Here to find radius. Radius equals to, we take SA. Square root of the point A is 1 2. Using these 2 points to find SA, 11 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 whole square. In that 11 minus 1 whole square means 10 square. So square root cancel, that is 10. Here 2 minus 2 0. We know that equation of circle in standard form. That is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to r square. Here we substitute center and radius. So x minus 11 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equals to 10 square. Now it can be simplified that x square plus 121 minus 22x. In this y square plus 4 minus 4y. We take 10 square to left side, that is minus 100 equal to 0. Now it can be simplified that x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y. Here 121 plus 4, 125 minus 100, that is 25 equal to 0. So this is the equation of circle passing through given 3 points. Now to verify the fourth point is satisfied or not. So by verification method, put the fourth point D, let it be D, 19.8 in equation 1. Equation 3, this is equation 3. So here substitute 19 and 8 in equation 3. So 19 square plus 8 square minus 22 into 19 minus 4 into 8 plus 25 equals to, here 19 square means So here 19 square means 19 into 20, 380 minus 19. So 361. This is 361 plus 64. 19 2 ja 38. 19 2 ja 38 plus 3, 41. Minus 4 8 ja 32 plus 25. Here we observe 361, 365 plus 60, 425. 425 plus 25. 4. Here 361 plus 6. Total positive signs. Having positive signs, sum of positive numbers equals to 450. Hence, sum of negative numbers is also 450. So here 450 minus 450 equal to 0. Therefore, the fourth point is satisfied the required equation of circle. Therefore, given 4 points are concyclic. Given 4 points are concyclic and required equation of circle is already found, that is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 equal to 0. This is the solution for this question. Similarly, remaining problems also practice using same method. So thank you. Wish you all the best.